I'm gonna start off by dividing my hair into two sections. I do this because when I do it all at once, I end up with bumps either in the front or back, and for this hairstyle your hair gotta be as flat and sleek as possible. So using this 48-hour moisture and edge control by EcoStyle, I'm gonna apply it on my hair, slick it down with a bristle brush, and use a hair tie. And make sure to use a hair tie with no metal because that thing pulls your hair out. Trust me. I'm gonna make it as tight as possible. And follow the exact same steps for the other section. The only difference is that I'm gonna gather up both sections. I ended up using about 4 hair ties and made sure that my bun was as tight and as small as possible. Moving on to my edges, I'm gonna use this Moray's Edge Wax and gonna lay my baby hair a bit. Despite the fact that I've applied all these products, I still need to use some bobby pins to hide these flyaways. Natural hair struggle. Once I'm done, I'm gonna grab this satin wrapping scarf and wrap my hair. I'm gonna apply some edge control on my sideburns as well. Now moving on to the interesting part, I'm gonna grab this braiding hair. I used the whole pack, by the way. Using the hair tie, I'm gonna wrap it around the middle of the hair and brush it because it looks a little bit tangled. Next, I'm gonna tie it onto my bun, and make sure you do it on the side you do not want your braid. You will understand in a minute. I'm gonna start braiding my hair very loosely, and as I'm going, I'm leaving some piece of hair out. I will list all info in the DBE down below as usual. Secure the end with a rubber band and now flip it on the opposite side. And since my hair was not tight at all, hiding my bun within a few seconds was not a problem. To make sure my ponytail does not move, I'm gonna use some bobby pins to secure it. Moving on to the small sections of hair, I'm gonna use these flexi rods to curl them up, and this is what's gonna give the hair a goddess look. Then I'm gonna dip all 4 flexi rods in the boiling water, and what's great with this is that you don't have to wait. As soon as it hits the hot water, you can unravel the flexi rods and your hair is going to keep the curls for good. To add some volume, I'm gonna separate all the curls, also stretch my braid out a little bit and add some jewelry to give it a glam look. Then remove my wrapping scarf and take some hair out on both sides using this dual brush and comb. And finally, apply the curl activator moisturizer to curl them up, and there's your jumbo braid goddess ponytail. This is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I feel like this look will be perfect for Valentine's Day, especially this hair right here. If you did enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and click on that notification bell so you can get notified as soon as I upload a new video. And until then, I will see you guys next time.